Dance at its core is movement. Yes, it's a codified technique, but it's a performing art. And performance art requires a reciprocal connection with our audience.
Inspiration is everywhere, from a leaf falling from a tree to the way somebody in front of me is walking down the street.
Dance is not anchored in linear time. Dance is not anchored in rigid narrative or rigid structure. Dance, like our bodies and like nature, really embodies the chaos of nature.
When a dancer really can speak to you in who they are and how they move and they inspire you, you're gonna keep making good work.
An audience really gravitates to authenticity, to uniqueness. It feels special. And when something feels special, it ignites.
There's no failure unless you don't try. You've just got to keep making and keep tweaking, right? Experiment.